Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel CGS.Insight. Here we are starting a new series for important and exam-oriented current affairs. Hope that our efforts will be useful for all of you. Let's start with current affairs for the month October 2024. First is Kajint 2024, 8th edition of joint military exercise between India and Kazakhstan started on 13 September 2024 in Oli, Uttarakhand. Initially, the Kajin exercise was started in 2016. Kajin KAZ belong to Kazakhstan and IND belong to India. AP Singh has been appointed as Chief of Air Staff CAS. He has PVSM and AVSM. PVSM stand for Param Vishesh Seva Medal and AVSM stand for Ati Vishesh Seva Medal. Euronaval 2024. This is World Naval Defense Exhibition. It will be held from 4 to 7 November 2024 at Paris Nord Elephant Exhibition Center. Next point, Annadarpan is a new digital platform launched by Food Corporation of India. It will be it will use advanced technology to make managing food supply chains, mandi, mill and depot smoother and more efficient. Telangana is the first state that launches Niti Aayog Women Entrepreneurship Program (WEP). The first WEP of India has been started in Hyderabad. India's first supercapacitor facility has been established at Kallasri, Kannur in Kerala. 26 Water, Energy, Technology and Environment Exhibition, that is called WATEX 2024. It will be held in Dubai World Trade Center. Next, National Wildlife Week. It will 2024. It will be celebrated from October 2 to October 8, 2024. Global Elite Card launched by Taiwan to attract skilled foreign professionals by 2028. Six oceans hidden under 70 kilometers in Earth mantle is discovered by Northwestern University, USA. Next one, धरती आबा जनजातीय ग्राम उत्कर्ष अभियान. It has been launched by PM Modi on 2nd October 2024 at Hazaribagh. The Union Cabinet grants 5 languages as classical languages. The languages are Assamese, Bengali, Marathi, Pali and Prakrit. The concept of classical languages was started in 2004. Next, the ever Kho-Kho World Cup 2025 will be held in India and 24 countries, 6 continents, 16 men and women teams will participate in the game. The Indo-Pacific Regional Dialogue 2024 started in New Delhi. The theme of the dialogue is Resource, Geopolitics and Security in the Indo-Pacific. Next, the Midori Prize, that is for Biodiversity Conservation. 2024 was awarded to Vera Veronova from Kazakhstan and Cardilon Carlos from Peru. The prize was given in Cali, Colombia during the 16th COPs on CBD. The Midori Prize was started basically in 2010. The Union Cabinet approves two umbrella schemes for agriculture, that are PM Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana, and another one is Krishnonnati Yojana. Next, India Maritime Decarbonization Conference 2024. It will be held in New Delhi. The Bureau of Indian Standard is developing National Agriculture Code. Next, DRDO successfully tested 4th-generation V-SWORDs. V-SWORD stand for Very Short Range Air Defense System at Pokhran. Entomologists from Ashoka Trust for Research in Ecology and Environment at RI have found a new species of potter was named Siamnesis in Arunachal Pradesh. The Banjara Virasit Nagara Museum was inaugurated by PM Modi at Wasim, Maharashtra. Chairperson of 77 WHO East Association, Mr. J.P. Nadda, Nobel 2024 for Medicine was awarded to Victor Ambros and Gray Ruvkun for microRNA discovery. 44th Codex Committee meeting on nutrition and special diets. It will be held in Dresden, Germany in 2024. Next, two initiatives launched by Defence Minister Rajnath Singh at DEF Connect 4.0. It will be held in New Delhi and the aim to strengthen India's defense technology ecosystem. That are one Aditi 2.0 and another is ISK 12. Next, Nichu Itumoina scheme against child marriage. It has been launched by Assam. Next, India and Maldives aimed for comprehensive economic partnership. Though both countries have so many tensions, Rwanda is currently facing Marburg virus. Marburg is related to Ebola and originated from Germany in 1967. WHO honors India for eliminating trachoma. China's military strategy against Taiwan. It is called Anaconda strategy. Same strategy, that is military strategy, is being used by China against India, and that is called string of pearls strategy. Next, India's National Space Commission has approved India's fifth lunar mission called Lunar Polar Exploration Mission. This is joint venture of ISRO and JAXA of Japan. Nobel 2024 in Physics for Artificial Neural Network, J.J. Hopfield and G.E. Hinton. Asia's largest Cherenkov telescope. It has been established in Ladakh. National Maritime Heritage Complex. It will be established in Lothal. On October 10, NASA will launch Clipper mission to discover alien life. Nobel 2024 in Chemistry for Proteins. Dennis Hassabis, J. M. Jumper, and David Baker. MHA declares Ministry of Home Affairs declares Hizb ut-Tahrir as terrorist organization, and it is working in Tamil Nadu and Puducherry. Global biodiversity declines 73% in 1970, says WWF. WWF stands for World Wide Fund for Nature. in its living planet report 2024. PM Modi inaugurates Indian Institute of Skill in Mumbai. Indian Institute of Skill. Next, Nobel 2024 in Literature for Fragile Nature of Human Existence. Hang Kang, he is South Korean author. India's Digital Agri Conference 2024. It will be held in New Delhi. Next, 19th East Asia Summit 2024 attended by Mr. Narendra Modi. It will be held at Vientiane, Lao PDR. Vientiane Lao PDR is in Laos. Telangana appoints Commission for Scheduled Caste Subclassification. Nobel 2024 in Peace for Disarmament. Nihon Hindankyo. It is Japanese organization. Snooping scandal is related to wrong banking practice in Italy. 8th edition of India Mobile Congress 2024 and International Telecommunication Union (ITU) session 2024 will be held at Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi. India's plan for renewable energy by 2030 and 2032 is 500 gigawatt and 600 gigawatt respectively. For the first time, India will host 19th International Conference of Drug Regulatory Authorities from 14 to 15 October 2024. Yes. India's first ship of multi-purpose vessel made by Larsen and Toubro, Samarthak. New Chief of Indian Coast Guard, Mr. S. Parmesh. Pakistan will host SCO Summit and Mr. S. Jaishankar will represent India. Global Hunger Index 2024. India has been ranked uh, 105 and rank 1 has been given to Belarus. The GHI has been the GHI has been published by IFPRI yearly since 2006. IFPRI stands for International Food Policy Research Institute and it is in Washington DC. The first Asian-India Track 1 Cyber Policy Dialogue 2024. It will be held in Singapore. Center of Excellence for Ayurvedic Research, Pappankode, Kerala. International Conference of Telecom Regulators 2024. It will be held in New Delhi. Asia Pacific Ministerial Conference on Disaster Risk Reduction (APM-CDRR) 2024 was held in Manila, Philippines. India was represented by Nityanand Rai. The Samarth scheme by Ministry of Textiles has been extended by 2025 to 26. 7th session of International Solar Alliance 2024 will be held in New Delhi. Kaziranga National Park has been recognized for butterfly biodiversity. Next, Scam से बचो, a safety campaign by Meta in India. World's freest economy, Hong Kong. Free economy where decisions are made by buyers and sellers and not by local government. A tool Shiksha का pilot for teachers has been started by Karnataka government. ESA European Space Agency program for future moon mission infrastructure development, that is Moonlight 16 TICS Summit 2024 will be held at Kazan, Russia, and Mr. PM Narendra Modi will attend the meeting. President of Indian Chambers of Commerce Abhyuday Jindal, cyclone DNA affected Bay of Bengal, mission Vasundhara 3.0 for land right has been started by Assam. The bilateral naval exercise Naseem al-Bahr between India and Oman will be held in Goa in 2024. Shadow Fleet is related to Russia and Ukraine conflicts. Fifth National Water Award 2024. First rank Odisha and second rank UP. New Zealand wins maiden Women T20 World Cup in Dubai by defeating South Africa. New president of Vietnam, Luong Kong. Next, India launches fourth nuclear submarine at Visakhapatnam. The name of fourth nuclear submarine is S4. Chanakya Defence Dialogue 2024 by Indian Army in New Delhi. 14 All India Civil Defence and Home Guard Conference will be in Gandhinagar. Global Anti-Racism Award 2024 has been given Urmila Chaudhary of Nepal. PM-ASSV scheme launched by Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, and it is dedicated to OBC, economic backward classes and denotified tribes. The scheme provides access to quality education, addresses to financial barriers, and support academic growth. Next, 17 Urban Mobility India Conference will be held in Gandhinagar. 31st edition of SIMBEX 2024 at Visakhapatnam. SIMBEX SIMBEX stands for Singapore-India Maritime Bilateral Exercise. Leadership Summit 2024 will be held in IIT Guwahati, India's first writer village. It is in Dehradun, near about. India will host first international e-sports championship in 2025. Asiatic golden cat has been rediscovered in Manas National Park. Global Nature Conservation Index 2024. India gets rank 176. The lowest ranked is Kiribati. India AI and Meta launch Generative AI Center at IIT Jodhpur. Next, Nemaline myopathy is the name of a rare muscle disorder. India launches $25 million pandemic fund for animal death. Saudi Arab will construct the world's largest building on Muqam. C-295 aircraft manufacturing plant has been established at Vadodara. iBox is an Indian mobile application scam resulting rupees 1000 crore cheating. Next. USA, Japan, and South Korea launch digital infrastructure initiative. 30R hydroelectric scheme. 40 watt. It is in Idukki, Kerala. Role of Law Index 2024. India ranks 79 out of 142 countries. The Protected Planet report was released in COP16. This report tracks progress since the Kunming-Montreal Global Biodiversity Framework was adopted at COP15 in 2022. Climate and Health Conference 2024. It will be held in Harare. This is the end of October 2024 current affairs. We hope our presentation will be liked by you. We will be back soon with November 2024 current affairs. Till then, keep learning and move forwarding with CGS.insight. Thank you for watching.